Hello viewers. Welcome to our YouTube channel Everything About Accounting. If you want to learn accounting easy and simple way, you are in the right place. In this video, we will learn what is the importance of cash book. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for getting the regular updates about accounting videos. So, let's get started. What is the importance of cash book? In the current accounting system, the importance of the cash book is immense. Cash transactions are more likely to result in transactions occurring within an organization. With the exception of cash transactions, all business organization activities will be stopped. The importance of cash book is described here. 1. The total cash receipts and payments of the business are easily known at any time from the cash book. 2. The amount of cash in hand may be known at any time without having to count the cash box if the cash book is properly maintained. 3. Since the cash book is both a journal and a ledger, it is possible to take advantage of both the journal and ledger from the cash book. 4. Since all cash transactions are recorded in one place in the cash book, it is not difficult to obtain any information about the cash transaction in the future. 5. It is very easy to calculate the amount of cash in hand at any time from the cash book, and it can be compared to the money in the cash box so that the accuracy of the account and any kind of fraud can be easily caught. 6. The cash book may also be used to preserve the initial and accurate accounts of cash transactions. Maintaining cash books can help prevent labor and time loss. 7. Cash security can be ensured as the cash balance of the cash book must be reconciled with the cash balance of the fund. 8. It's easy to detect any errors, as all cash transactions are recorded in the cash book. 9. The cash book shows the amount of money that's lying idle in the business. As a result, idle cash can be invested at any time in any other business. 10. Since all types of cash transactions are recorded in the cash book, any cash transaction information relating to expenses is available from the cash book at any time in the future. 11. As soon as cash transactions are completed, they can be recorded directly in the cash book without entering the journal book. As a result, the organization does not need to prepare a lot of journal entries. 12. If the cash book is maintained properly, the preparation of the journal and ledger may be avoided. 13. All the owners of the business give strict orders to the accountants to balance cash funds on a daily basis in the business. As a result, a business organization can find out the amount of its cash on a daily basis. 14. It is therefore essential that the organization monitors the liquidity situation and preserves the cash book in order to know the amount and consequences of the cash transactions. At the end of the video, I think you're clear about what is the importance of a cash book. If you like this video, don't forget to comment, like, and share. Thanks for watching.